only thing that is remaining on this is the add form for Georgia, because this is a Georgia state. Sorry, my bad. State package Georgia. So this is a package we want. Okay, Georgia not released, so this is a draft. Okay, and Georgia here is showing it's 0. Since it's not released, it cannot even show anything. Here we see they are owing. They are owing. And if you go through the 1040, they are single. Why are they owing? That's so they get the standard deduction for single is 13,850. So the taxable income is 27,000. So the tax is 3,119. They only withheld 2,755.
Hi,
So
where do I find the legging? The one.
Say it again. Hello? Oh, okay. So, all right. So, so the federal withholding is 2,700. Then the tax is higher than their withholding, so definitely they are going to owe. So when you minus 3,119 in tax from 2,755, they are withholding whatever is being withheld, so they owe 364. And they don't have a penalty. I don't know why they don't have a penalty. I think they paid, I mean, they withheld, they were close by. If it was more, maybe 1,000, they could have owed. Okay, so now, so that one is good. Okay, so we are good. Now, I'll give you a break of 10 minutes, so let's be back here by 6:21 so that we can go through what we need for us to be able to file next year. All right, see you at 6:21. Okay, I'm back. All right. All right. So at the moment now, we are going to go to, we'll do something different. And that is, we're going to the irs.gov. Excuse me. irs.gov. Give me a minute. Okay, so irs.gov. Then we are looking for, you go to search box. What we need is PTIN. That's what we are looking for, preparer tax identification number. Without that, you cannot file a return. So recommended by IRS is a preparer tax identification number. Anyone who prepares or assists in preparing federal tax returns for compensation must have a valid preparer tax identification number. And since you guys will be paid, you'll be paid to prepare the tax returns. So definitely You need to have one. So here is where you apply. As you can see here, is where you apply. You click here. Then form to apply, form W12. That's the PDF, but we don't need the PDF. We want to go straight to online. Where are you? Okay, where are you? PTIN, online PTIN, online. Okay, so PTIN holders with an online account can update most information online. Here you go. So you go here to online. For those of you that are new, you go ahead and create an account, okay, with your email address. You create an account. You need you need to pay. You'll be paying like I think $30 or $35. Okay, so for those that are new, you go ahead here and create an account. And these are the questions that you are being asked. You only need to create an account if you prepare U.S. federal income tax returns for compensation. You are an enrolled agent or intend to become an enrolled agent. You do not need a PTIN for your own personal taxes. So this is not for personal taxes. This is for somebody who is going to help other people to prepare their taxes. And that is where you are. You are a tax preparer. That's what I'm training you to be. So definitely this is what you are going to mark as I will prepare U.S. federal income tax returns for compensation. Then you go next. You put it, oh, my old email. You put in your name, James, and then you match it. Okay, James, there is that one. And at Yahoo. Okay, so you go ahead and create an account. Okay, so you will receive an email that contains a temporary password and further instructions. So once you receive that email, you go ahead and now from there, from the email, that is where you're going to get the temporary password, then you change it to a password that you can understand. Once you get inside, then you answer the questions. If they ask you who you are going to be working for, is that Safari Tax Solutions Inc. And our address, I will send the address to the group so that you can be able to put in that information. So you put in the EIN number, the address for the company, and that's it. So you'll be working for our company. Then you pay $35 or $30, and you'll be given the PTIN. I need you to send me the PTIN, okay? I need you to get a screenshot and send it to me. Even those of you that you already have the PTIN, you need to send me the renewed one, because you need to renew it before the 31st. So, and since today is the last day that we are going to see each other this year, so definitely you will need to do it before 31st. You send it to me. Okay. So once you are new, some of you are new, you don't have the PTIN, so you're going to get it from here. Okay. So you say done, and let me get this so that we can put it in our group. I hope I can. Okay. So I'm adding it here. For those of you that have already, what you're going to do, if you need to renew it, you go ahead and renew it. Okay. Not if you need to renew it, you have to renew it. If you are going to work together, you cannot file taxes without it. So you need to renew it. If you have not renewed, those that do not have, you need it. Otherwise, we can't work together. Okay. All right. And you can't even file taxes actually anywhere without that PTIN number. Then what else did I say? I said I'll send the information for the company. I'll send it here in the group so that you can use it to say you'll be working with us. Okay. All right. Otherwise, thank you so much. Is there any question? Any question? Any question?
What's your New Year's resolution?
Huh?
What's your New Year's resolution?
A new year resolution. Tell me yours.
Nah, you said any question, so I'm asking.
Oh no, that's my secret.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't shout. If you shout it, you won't do it. It's like you have told everybody what you wanna be, that's then you can't go anywhere.
I like it. What do you want for Christmas?
Me?
Hmm.
Just peace.
I think Santa can always grant that.
Huh?
I think Santa Claus can grant that.
Oh yeah, he's able to.
I hope so.
All right, all right. So okay, we have how many minutes do we have? We have 6:33. All right, I'll give you homework actually. Each one of you has to prepare. We need 5 returns for each one of you, and on those 5 returns, I need you to use the same mortgage that we have. The person that we filed for single. The person that we filed for the single return, there's a 1098. I want you to use it on every return of the 5 returns, because I want to make sure that you got it. Then you have a schedule A. Okay, you enter the W2s as they are, like they are. Okay, for the single, for the married filing jointly, for the married filing separately, for the widower. What else? There are 5. All those 5, you enter them. Then I need you to do the Schedule A. Okay, you add a Schedule A there on each return. Then the other thing is a 1095. So Schedule A, do 5 returns. Do 5 tax returns. That is single, head of household. You just change the names and the socials and all that stuff. All that's good stuff. Head of household. Okay. So okay. Then what else? Married filing. Married. MFG, actually. Married filing. Jointly. Married filing. So some people call it married filing single. There's nothing like that. Married filing separately. And last but not least, widow. No, they are calling, right now they are calling it QAL, qualified surviving spouse. Yeah, qualified surviving spouse, QSS. All right, so, and include the W-2s accordingly, according to the way that we have put that we already have that in the system. Accordingly, through the W-2 1098. That 1098, that one 1098, you can add maybe 10%. You can add 10% of charity for charity. And assume that they had some medical expenses or something of the kind. So yeah, so I want to see a complete Schedule A. I want to make sure that you know what Schedule A is, because we'll be meeting on the 3rd, I think on the 3rd, and that's when we will do the Schedule C. Okay, so 1098 plus also add 1095A. So I want you to make sure that you understand what is happening. Go to 1040. After you fill in those information, go to 1040 and learn. Learn what is going on. What is why did it happen like that? How come they are owing? How come they are getting a refund? All that. Read on that box. If it's line whatever, line 1, line 2, line 3, read and understand what is going on. Okay. So that's why I need you to do that. So even as you are enjoying, just do something. Do something so that you are ready. You are ready next next year. Otherwise, somebody will come, you do for them taxes. You are not making money. And if you don't do the taxes, you don't make money. That's it. It's not like the way you are employed. You just go to work and you show up, you are paid for the hours. In this case, you do the taxes, you get paid. If you don't do it, you don't get paid. So definitely you don't want that. You really want to understand this thing. You really want to understand the taxes, okay? So that you can help somebody else. You can help those people to prepare their taxes when you understand. Otherwise, I know you are thinking about Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And enjoy yourself, but don't over-enjoy, okay? All right. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Dad. You have a great day.
You too. You too.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Dad. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Tony.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Are we the only ones?
But I thought there was like 6 other people. Or, I mean, not 6 other, but like 6 people in all.
Yeah, I think they're busy. All right, you guys, you have a wonderful time. We'll be talking, okay?
For sure.
Just try to find the time. Try to find the time to do that. To do it. That's the only way you can understand. You know what I mean? When you practice, that's the only way you can understand. Otherwise, without you doing it practically, you cannot understand. Once you do it practically, it's so enjoyable. It's so easy, and it's not as hard as it seems. All right, guys.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.